Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that gets a lot of people dreaming. Luxury cars. You see them gliding down the street, looking sleek and powerful, and it's easy to think, I want one of those. But what many people do and consider are the hidden costs that come asterisk after asterisk you drive off the lot. It's not just about the monthly payment. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the true cost of ownership. And we'll use one of the most common maintenance items as our main example, the simple oil change. So you've got two cars. On one hand, a reliable, best-selling Toyota Camry. On the other, a prestigious and sporty BMW 3 Series. Both are fantastic cars in their own right, but their long-term costs tell very different stories. Let's start with the Toyota. You need an oil change, a routine task every car needs. You can take it to the dealership, an independent mechanic, or even do it yourself, pretty easily. A standard oil change with conventional oil might cost you around $50 to $75 at a quick lube place. If you opt for synthetic oil, which is better for your engine, you might be looking at $80 to $120. Parts are readily available everywhere, and nearly any mechanic has worked on a Toyota countless times. It's straightforward, predictable, and relatively affordable. This is a cost you can easily budget for. Now let's switch gears and look at the BMW. This is where things get interesting. Right away, you'll notice that BMWs require a specific type of high-performance synthetic oil that meets their unique specifications. You can't just grab any bottle off the shelf. This oil is more expensive. The oil filter is also a specialized brand-specific part, not a generic one you can find at any auto parts store. Because of the engineering, even the process of changing the oil can be more complex. The drain plug might be in a less accessible spot, or special tools might be needed to reset the service light. So, what's the bill look like? If you take your BMW to an independent shop that specializes in German cars, you're likely looking at a starting price of around $150 to $200. If you go to the BMW dealership, the cost can easily jump to $250 or even more. So, for the exact same essential service keeping your engine lubricated, you could be paying 3 to 4 times more for the luxury brand. And that's just the oil change. This price difference is a perfect microcosm for the entire ownership experience. Think about other common wear and tear items, brakes. For the Toyota, a full brake job might run you a few $100s. For the BMW, with its high-performance multi-piston calipers and larger rotors, you could be looking at well over $1,000. Tires are another big one. The performance tires required for a BMW are significantly more expensive than the all-season. It's tires on a Camry and they often wear out faster. And then there's the unexpected. What happens when a sensor fails or a water pump gives out? On the Toyota, the part is likely affordable and the labor is standard. On the BMW, the part itself can be shockingly expensive. And the labor required to access and replace it can be much more intensive due to the compact and complex engine bay. I'm not saying you should never buy a luxury car. Driving a BMW is an incredible experience, and for some, it's absolutely worth it. The handling, the power, the interior quality, it's all on another level. But it's crucial to go into it with your eyes wide open. You need to budget not just for the car payment and insurance, but also for a much higher maintenance and repair fund. A good rule of thumb is to expect to spend at least 2 to 3 times more on annual maintenance for a German luxury car compared to a mainstream Japanese or American brand. Before you sign those papers, ask yourself, can I afford the oil change? Can I afford a new set of tires? Can I afford an unexpected $1,000 repair without breaking a sweat? If the answer is no, you might be setting yourself up for a lot of financial stress. So what do you think? Do you own a luxury car? And have the maintenance costs surprised you? Let me know your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content that helps you make smarter decisions with your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.